Thanks. Tonight, the mother of a student at Dent Middle School says that she was fighting for justice after a video shows other students attack her daughter. The video here is from Latasha Hicks, the girl's mother. She says the fight happened in May. She says that while her daughter suffered a concussion, the students were never suspended from school. Our Ashley Jones spoke to Hicks and her attorney, as well as district officials.
Well, Dent Middle School falls under Richland School District 2, but school leaders there say because this fight did not happen on school grounds, there's really nothing they can do about it. However, law enforcement has since gotten involved, and 5 of the students that you see in that video have been charged with assault and battery by a mob in the 3rd degree.
I feel like I failed her because I wasn't there to help her.
Latasha Hicks is the mother to the girl you see in this video on the ground being beaten by a group of teens. She says this all started with her daughter being bullied by a boy in her classroom.
My daughter's new to the school. She was at another school before prior to going here, so she don't really know a lot of people.
She says it started with this boy stealing her charger. Then Hicks says a few days later that same boy broke her daughter's glasses. And when her daughter told the teacher,
he called her a snitch. So to punish my daughter, he has an older sister, and they all plotted to teach her a lesson.
Hicks says that's what led to this. Several students attacking her daughter, punching and even kicking her in the head.
Latasha wants to make sure that nobody else goes through what her little girl went through.
James Brogdon is Hicks's attorney.
That these kids, and I hesitate to call them kids, these young adults who were involved and who beat her daughter on May 16th of 2023, receive a punishment sufficient that they understand the severity of what they did and what they caused, and they think twice before doing it again.
Hicks says she's been in and out of the courtroom fighting for justice for her daughter and felt like she was getting somewhere when those kids involved were charged. But just recently, she was told the solicitor on this case was looking to have the kids enrolled in the Youth Advocate Program in lieu of the criminal charges. Meanwhile, Hicks says what happened to her daughter points to a bigger issue.
Where's the police presence on that road when they know there's fights? There's documented that there's fights after school. So that's the only way I know how to fight, and I'm fighting the right way. So I don't understand why this is so hard for them to see the video and say needs to be addressed.
Hicks's daughter has since returned to school since that fight in May, but she says her daughter has not been the same. Before, she would walk to and from school, but now a family member has to pick her up. Reporting here in the newsroom, I'm Ashley Jones, WIS News 10.
WIS reached out to the solicitor's office for comment. They sent us a statement. It says, quote, the family court has jurisdiction over juvenile matters in South Carolina, and these matters are closed to the public. The legal process can take several months to complete from the date of arrest.